Before we continue, I just wanted to say I'm going to do another video showing things that I did and did not need on this trip and some resources to maybe help you out if you want to go on a trip like this. Other than that, I just want to say this kind of combines my DIY outdoor enthusiasm with some of my filmmaking skills. So with that being said, let's get back into this short little film. I hope you enjoy.
So what we're going to be doing is hauling you guys up in our shuttle boat, right? And this is the drop off here. What the portages are marked is P35R, which means portage 35 rods, and a rod is 16.5 feet, so it's about a block and a half.
That was her campsite. That's where the dog was with the two swans.
Yep.
Right? We're gonna go this.
So
Stop.
Hold it
Just
this
listen.
way. Hold it this direction.
I'm holding it the way you. Fine.
You have to hold it the way it is.
West is. All right. Look. So you're talking about going this way, and I'm telling you, we go to the left of the island, left, and go through this. You want to go this way.
I know we're gonna go this way to round this one.
Yeah, but you want to go that side and go south.
No, we're not gonna go south. We're gonna go down here.
You know, I don't care what side of the island.
Okay,
I don't
great.
care
All
what.
right, dude.
Either way, you're going to end up right there.
Across from trying to break over to Frog Lake on our way to Canada.
What do you got?
Northern.
You must be
I love it when the drag goes out a little. Hey, there's how it is right here, brother. There we go. Hey! Hey, there we go. I told you they got the big teeth, didn't I? Certainly not the biggest, but you know, now I feel like a man. And into it, patience and perseverance. There we go. Look at this cute little thing. Thank you. I appreciate your support.
Let me carry it for a spell. We are in Canada. Even though Mark is not the best guide in the world. We made it.
That's a good throw, buddy.
Can you get that one to come down?
Oh, it's got
No way! No way!
Back at
It did! It's caught. There it is.
Okay.
Nicely done.
Okay, now.
Nicely done.
Oh, now you have
one-man pulley system when you're trying to get food up in the tree, up there in the tree seat, so that the bear won't get it.
What's your fault, man?
Anyway, it's a Z pulley system. The rope comes down, it goes up, and it comes down and ties off. One man with big muscles can do it.
And a ripped shirt.
You
There
can
you go.
too. Yeah.
Good job.
Harsh about the whole fact.